Sometimes on jobs, we need to change the pressure switch to high altitude pressure switches. If the salesman didn't order one, and you go to do the startup, you will notice the gas will flicker, and you can kind of hear the pressure switch tapping. So I'll just give you an example. You can kind of hear it. Gas just lit. Went off. It's going to try to light again, and sometimes it'll just go on and off and flicker on and off before it turns off. If you ever do the gas pressure test and notice that your furnace is acting weird, check the installation and make sure that you don't need to change the pressure switch to a high altitude pressure switch. Thank you.